Welcome to Camp Atterbury, boys. But boys is hardly the word for these members of the United Automobile Workers Union who've asked to come out here for 3 days to live with the men they're making weapons for, and to take a crack at the kind of training their friends and sons and brothers are getting. They get the old reception center workout with the medics, with a supply line, stuff that fits, stuff that doesn't fit, fatigues, long-handled drawers. For them, the works. It's a ragged-looking body of citizens on a hike, but one of those gents might have made your bomb sight, so don't throw rocks at them. Maybe they can make bayonets, but they've got a lot to learn about handling them. Incidentally, that elderly character sneaking off the edge of the Trick Bridge has 7 children, but this toggle rope proposition isn't much like walking across Brooklyn Bridge. That's an expert spot welder taking a break in the pool. The Pearl Diver is a 4-star man with machine tools. And these part-time recruits making up beds for Saturday morning inspection are the guys who wire the instrument panels on bombers. And now the guys in ODs return the call to take a look at what's new in Detroit. Tanks and planes coming off the assembly lines, faster, better, more. 100,000 planes already and still more on the way. And these soldiers from Camp Atterbury are impressed by the precision and the power of the men and machines that now make Detroit a 24-hour town. And so the worker and the soldier exchange shop talk about their jobs and get to call each other by their first names. Does it do any good? Well, listen to what one of the Detroit men had to say about his visit to Atterbury.
This war is going to be won with plenty of guts and plenty of sweat. The boys in the armed services have plenty of guts, and we on the production front have got to give them plenty of sweat to back them up.